Hey everyone! Struggling to make your videos look professional and eye-catching? Don't worry, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to create 2D to 3D videos in Filmora 13 to make your videos stand out. First, open Filmora and click on New Project. You'll then see the interface. Click on the Import button and a menu will appear. In this menu, select your video files. Double-click on your video to import it. Filmora will then ask if you want to convert this video to a proxy file. If you want to create a proxy file, click Yes. In this case, I clicked No. Next, drag and drop the video onto the timeline. Go to the Effects tab located on the top left side of the screen. You'll see an interface where you can click on Boris Effects. Then, you'll see this interface. Click on Download now. After some time, the download will be completed. Then, scroll down and click on the Stylize folder. In this menu, select BCC Cast Shadow. Drag and drop it onto the video file on the timeline. After dragging it, go to the Editing panel. Click on the Effects tab, and then click on Image Plane. You'll see another interface. In this menu, turn on the keyframes on Position Z, Position X, and Position Y. Set Rotate X to 24 and Rotate Y to 22. Move the playhead to 3 seconds and set Position Z to -770. Change Rotate X to 27 and Rotate Y to 42. Move the playhead beyond 3 seconds and reset all the positions. Finally, create a render preview by pressing Enter on the keyboard. After rendering the preview, you can see the final output of my video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.